Day one of the full checks on all vehicles entering the city of Pattaya has been seen as a success. Now all set up along the Sukhumvit and with pass-through lanes for those not turning into the city. 2 shifts of officials work through day and night until the curfew. A lack of visitor traffic has also enhanced the turnaround, and with many opting not to go into the city anyway, that too's helped. Announcements that some businesses may be allowed to return to opening from May the 1st in our province brought hope to many, but it has to be explained that this will only happen if COVID counts continue to drop, and then only in stages. Seeing retailers and malls allowed to open first, and then different businesses in stages, bars and entertainment areas left until very last, as they're seen as centres for close contact. Hotels, though, are telling us that many won't open straight away, even if they can, as the visitor count is now negligible, and covering costs would be impossible. It's expected that by the summer, if the count nationwide drops, the city will market itself to the Thai tourists to boost numbers. The Prime Minister reviewed a decision announced this week that saw 5,000 baht handouts to self-employed and non-registered workers limited to just one payment. He now promises a full programme of up to 3 months if need be, and he actually apologised in the address for miscommunication and is working to generate a fund from other governmental department budgets, as that 5,000 baht has seen many kept off the breadline. Foodland in Terminal 21 Pattaya was closed for a day for a full cleansing operation after reports that a person who developed COVID-19 had shopped there. The precaution, and it was just a precaution, was instigated by the company after being advised of the visit which took place on April the 5th. Anyone suffering from COVID is questioned as to where they've been, and then their visits are tracked with all locations notified. This didn't affect other outlets of Foodland, and the company is renowned for its hygiene in all stores. Customers, though, who may have shopped on the same day are asked to inform health personnel. Thursday's figures nationwide saw 29 new cases and 3 more deaths, increasing the death toll to 46. But the number of recovered patients increased dramatically, seeing more than 50% of those originally diagnosed since the start recover and return to normal life. The Provincial Water Authority has told media finally that there is a water supply issue. They claim, however, that the alternated daily supplies to various areas, combined with the low pressure, should see them through to the rainy season. Not helpful for buildings with storage tanks on their roofs, where pressure is so low it doesn't reach the tanks, and water from water trucks has become a regular feature for many now. 8,000 jailbirds are being released early to reduce cramped prison conditions. This is a program that's been running for months. Release is based on either having served 2/3 of their sentence and being good standing, or having served 1/3 but being elderly or ill, and each is evaluated before being returned to the community. From cups to COVID, that could be the strapline for Thai-Japanese bra manufacturers Wacol, which has its production lines here in Thailand. Production of padded contraptions to support an enhanced bust has been replaced by production of face masks. Washable, durable, well designed. The masks are already on sale and, we're told, very comfortable to wear too. In Pattaya, food donations for those on the poverty line have been amazing. In addition to promoting the giving of food to those donating already to the poor, donations to our own supply have been outstanding too. Cash and food has come in from many and will be given out next week in 2 locations. More, though, is welcome. You can never give enough. And we welcome donations at both our studios on Soi Chaya Pruk, opposite the indoor sports stadium between 11 and 3 on weekdays, and any day between midday and 7 at the Loft Pub on the lake. All is passed on to those who are less fortunate. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters. Wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distances. And the Met Office promising highs today of around 32, dropping down to 27, and once again a chance of rain. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.